Good morning. We are just having breakfast, getting ready. Where are we going, Millie?
To the Splash Summit.
Yep, we're going to Splash Summit today with friends. We're super excited. We're using our Get Out Utah pass. So come along. Right, we have made it to Splash Summit. We're rip-roaring, ready to go. Avery is full on Aubrey's old clothes.
The whole back part you can flop it on.
It is seriously a beautiful day. I am so excited.
Wait, look how green the mountain is.
I know, it is so pretty.
Millie, put it on a surfing thing. Millie, put it as a hat. Put it as a hat, then you have a cape.
So, the group is getting ready to go down the racing ones. And they are excited. Let's see who will win.
Yeah. I had to scoot forward more.
Alright. Elbows in, leg flat. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah!
So I tried to order on their online menu, but they don't have everything that they offer on the online menu. So unless you like hamburgers and like a corn dog or hot dog, then definitely order online. It'll go faster. But anything else, you will go at too.
Yep, that's my man right there.
Our girls are not athletic at all. Hi.
Okay, so what happened?
So these boys, one of these boys came up to us, me, Kenzie, and Lana, and asked for our numbers, and we all said no.
Good job.
And they all asked our age.
And you said no.
Yes.
Smart girls.
What's up, Carly?
I'm ready.
What are you wearing today? Where is this from?
This is all from Aubrey.
She's wearing Aubrey.
Okay.
I'm wearing Courtney Jean.
Courtney Jean. What are you wearing, Mark?
Costco and Amazon.
And Walmart.
Walmart.
Costco.
I got Red and O'Neill.
Both Courtney Jean. Boys ready?
Yep.
Hold your glasses. My soul left my body last time.
Alright, guys, thumbs up.
Which way's scarier, Mark? Being in the back or the front?
The front's scarier, I think.
But did you see how close we get to that
I
end?
thought I was gonna hit my foot.
I know.
Okay guys, so we got 2 minutes on the clock. So you should like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You should. They're like the roseberries are so much fun. They're literally the best. Lauren and Trevor, you guys are great. So is Aubrey, Corbin, and Millie. They're amazing. Get your hairy dogs out of here, Mark! No, go! Come on,
What do you call a person in the ocean with no arms and no legs? Bob.
Did you get it, Bob? Hey, Millie. Is the Bob? I thought you touched it. I
It looks like you did.
Oh, even Mark like, oh!
It could have been.
That's why I said I claim you touched it because, and I yelled at he touched it.
I know, I heard you yell at me, and I
told you when I was there, I was like that close of you getting to it.
would have
Take your leg out.
reached, maybe, but I don't want to bruise my toe.
Yeah, because you're cooking it.
He's gonna break his toe, and they're like, "What happened?" I touched it. I touched the butt.
Me and Carly, we could definitely hit the top.
Go get some Vaseline from the
Me and
car.
Carly can get it. Me and Carly can hit that top for sure.
Hey, let's get some Vaseline from the car and
Yeah.
lube the bottom of this up.
Times around. Gosh. That was fast. Oh, not backwards! Not backwards!
They went backwards. How was that?
It was good.
Oh, you guys went backwards too?
You guys got stuck?
We got stuck. Yeah, she was the only one that
Booking it. Did you see how fast you were going?
No, because we were already sitting down.
So, how was it, Millie? The ride we just went on? Yeah, it was scary, kinda. Once we started, it felt a little. But once we started spinning, guys, it wasn't as scary. We were slow. I mean, it went kind of fast, but yeah. Oh my god! No wonder I did those at the end of the turn. Oh my!
so nice because it's not windy out. It is a glorious day here at Splash Summit.
How fun would that be if you landed like right here though? You come out the ride and land in here.
Yeah, that would be fun. Kenzie's goal is to get Carly drenched.
I can't run over a child.
Oh yeah!
Where's the wild beast? Right there?
Yep.
Mark, you're the wild beast in the
No,
forest.
the red iguana right
Oh,
behind you.
the red. Wait, can I get that again? Oh, that's a great thing. What an amazing ride.
I made his day.
Trevor! Carly got drenched, Lord. We all do that matter.
Are you a little wet there? Just a little bit.
I'll be like, held you on.
She held me underneath there.
I love that she's already plugging her nose, preparing.
You guys ever seen the backside of water?
Carly is
I'm trying to breathe. I'm trying to hold my breath as long as I can.
Okay, here comes the beast.
John! Oh, there's somebody else. It's just Carly. I'm like, what's in between my legs?
Are we getting out?
Yeah, we're getting out.
I just farted. She gave birth to me. I just gave birth. Stop.
Oh, that.
Lawrence Ticklies! Oh, we're doing
Lauren probably said we're at the Splash Summit now, right? Yes, it is so much fun. Recommended. We have 37 seconds left.
I'm almost at 100.
Here's a setup here. Honey.
It was a good day at Splash Summit. Was it a good day?
Yep.
Had a lot of fun. Wore the girls out. I'd say that's a success. We are now at Bahama Bucks getting our shaved ice on. Try it.
Just did.
So it's pickle juice, right?
Yes.
It's bad.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Terrible.
Here, let me. Here.
I'll try.
No.
No.
No. It's terrible.
You will, no, Mom. Mom, no, you will fill up.
I'll throw it up.
Yes.
What about for $5?
I might borrow.
Hey, I'm my honey.
Okay, Trevor's gonna give him $5 if he finishes all this pickle juice.
Oh.
That is terrible, Corbin.
Wow.
Ew.
How was it, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, everyone out here playing the game, enjoying their Bahama bucks. Thanks for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more of the Roseberry Adventures.